Do you ever wonder why salmon is often dubbed as a superfood? It's no secret that this vibrant-hued fish has won the hearts of health enthusiasts worldwide. And for good reason. Salmon is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. From heart health to brain function, salmon's nutrient profile plays a pivotal role in maintaining overall well-being. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned to unveil the secret behind salmon's superfood status. Salmon, a fish known for its rich pink or orange flesh, is packed with a myriad of nutrients that contribute to our health in several ways. First up, let's talk about the omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon is an excellent source of these essential fats, particularly EPA and DHA. These fats are crucial for heart health, helping to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. So, for a heart-healthy diet, salmon is a great choice. But it's not just about the heart. DHA, one of the omega-3s found in salmon, is essential for brain health. Regular consumption of salmon may support cognitive function, improve memory, and even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. And let's not forget about our joints. The anti-inflammatory properties of omega-3 fatty acids can benefit joint health, helping to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Next up, eye health. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are important for maintaining eye health as they are a major structural component of the retina. Consuming salmon may help protect against age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. Interestingly, the omega-3s found in salmon may have mood-enhancing effects, helping to regulate neurotransmitters in the brain, potentially reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. For those beauty enthusiasts, the high levels of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in salmon can promote healthy skin and hair. These nutrients help maintain skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and protect against damage from UV rays. Salmon is also a lean source of protein that can help promote satiety and prevent overeating, making it a great choice for weight management. In addition to omega-3s, salmon is also rich in protein, B vitamins, potassium, and selenium. These nutrients play various roles in the body, from supporting metabolism to promoting a healthy immune system. Finally, some studies suggest that the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. Incorporating salmon into your diet on a regular basis can provide a wide range of health benefits, making it a delicious and nutritious addition to meals. So, to recap, the superb salmon is a nutrient-rich powerhouse. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, it champions heart health, brain function, and joint health. It supports eye health and can potentially improve mood, promote healthy skin and hair, and aid in weight management. With a high nutrient density, it may even reduce certain cancer risks. Remember, the key to a healthy life is a balanced diet, and salmon certainly deserves a spot on your plate. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more health tips.